So my table is there, object is place and image is distance, nature we have to say. First one, infinity, focus, real, inverted, highly diminished. Second one, beyond C, between F and C. Next one is a real, inverted and diminished only. And third one is at C only, real, inverted and diminished, the same size we can get. Between F and C, beyond C, real, inverted and large. At focus means infinity, we can't say anything. Between pole and focus means behind the mirror, virtual, erect and enlarge. Now we can practice the ray diagrams more. These diagrams we can practice. Okay, sir. First case, for concave mirror, object placed at infinity. Object placed at infinity means the rays are moving as parallel to principal axis. The rays are moving as parallel to principal axis. What is the principal axis means this line is called as the principal axis. This line is called as the principal axis. The rays are incident on the mirror parallel to principal axis. After reflection they are passing through the focus. They are passing through the focus. That means they meet at what point means focus only. That is the first rule. And second case we have to consider. We consider a concave mirror. Again we consider the pole, focus, center of curvature. Where the object is placed means beyond center of curvature, like this one. Now you can join the points from where to where means tip of the object to the mirror, you can join like this. It's a straight line. After reflection it is passing through the focus. These arrows indicate in which direction they are moving. First we are going like this, after reflection we are come down direction. Now another ray you have to consider, which is passing through the center of curvature, like this one. A ray passing through the center of curvature bouncing back only. So here is a image is forming. Here is a image is forming. That means object beyond C, image is nothing but between F and C. Okay. After that we discuss about two cases. Remaining 4 cases are there. Next 2 cases we discuss. What are the 2 cases means this is most important case. He is asking beyond C, and next one is at C mostly is asking. So this is the principal axis. Line is principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. Where the object is placed means exactly at C. Where the object is placed exactly at C. Now you can join these 2 points. Tip of the object to the mirror you can join. This is called as incident ray. After reflection passing through the focus. After reflection passing through the focus. Another ray we have to consider, which is passing through the focus. Which is passing through focus. After reflection parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. Where they are meet means exactly they are meet at center of curvature. Center of curvature. The same thing what the table you have discussed. Object placed at C, image also at C. Nature is nothing but a real, inverted and same size. Inverted means image is below the principal axis. That is the meaning of this. Image is below the principal axis. Next, object placed between F and C, like this one. This is the object we can place. Now this is what type of mirror means concave mirror. Now here a ray is moving parallel to principal axis. After reflection passing through the focus. Passing through the focus, like this one. After reflection passing through the focus. Another ray we have to consider, which is passing through the focus. After reflection parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. Where the image is forming means beyond the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature. Nature is object placed between F and C, image is forming beyond C, real, inverted. Inverted means image is below the principal axis, means real and inverted we can say. And next one, object placed at infinity. Object placed at infinity. So this is a concave mirror, you can assume. Concave mirror. Object placed at what point means infinity one. That's we can write as pole, focus, center of curvature. Object exactly placed at focus. Object exactly placed at focus. A ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection, passing through the focus. Another ray which you have to consider, which is passing through the tip of the object. Tip of the object. These two are nothing but parallel rays. The image never form. Means of forming, but we can't characterize its characteristics. We can't characterize its characteristics. And last most important case, that is the object is placed between P and F. Where you place means between P and F. That means a line we have to consider. That line is nothing but principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. An object we have to consider between P and F. Where we consider P and F. A ray parallel to principal axis. Again, a ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection, passing through focus. Another ray we have to consider, which is passing through the tip of the object, like this one, incident ray, and this one is a reflected ray. These two are diverging rays. These two are diverging rays. He can be extended backward. Image is formed behind the mirror. Image is forming behind the mirror. Nature we can say that real. Nature we can say virtual, erect, enlarge image. That is a ray diagram for concave. Next, we discuss about the convex. For convex also two cases are there. One of the cases is nothing but object placed at infinity. Suppose this is a convex mirror. Now we have to consider a principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. A ray parallel to principal axis, parallel to principal axis, it is a diverging mirror. It is a diverging mirror. Diverging mirror means we can be assume as it can be reflected and it is passing through the focus, and it is also reflected, it is passing through the focus. So this is the case for convex mirror. And again we have to consider a convex mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. Object is placed anywhere. A ray parallel to principal axis, parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it appears to passing through the focus. Another ray we have to consider, which is passing through the center of curvature. These 2 points will meet at this point. These 2 points are meet at this point. Here only image is formed. So what is the characteristic of convex mirror means here is a virtual, erect, highly diminished, highly diminished. Okay, what about this characteristics means virtual, erect, diminished. What is the meaning of virtual means diminished. What is the meaning of virtual means the image is above the principal axis only. The image is above the principal axis.